Change e to the following from logarithmic form to exponential form, y equals ab to the x. In other words, solve all of these for y. And in every case here, we've got a logarithm. We're going to get rid of it because fewer logarithms is generally better. So logarithm base 7. When we change that, we're going to get an exponential of base 7. It'll be 7 to the x equals y by 3. If this were just plain old y, we'd be done right here. But if we want to solve this for y, right now y is divided by 3. So to undo that, we multiply this side by 3. And we multiply this side by 3. And we get y equals 3 times 7 to the x power. If you considered writing 21 to the x, don't. This 7 has a power on it, this 3 does not. And you're not allowed to multiply numbers unless they have identical powers, or unless they have the same base, but neither is the case here. So this is 3 to the 1 times 7 to the x, and you can't combine those in any way. Next one, log base 5 of 7y equals x. So we're going to get an exponential base 5. It'll be 5 to the x power equals 7y. If you want to clear that y, you've got to divide both sides by 7. There we go. That'll isolate y. And two choices for how you write this. You can write it as I have it right now, 5 to the x power over 7. Or you can pull the 7 out front if you wish and say 1/7 times 5 to the x. This second one is a little more like what they were asking for when they said ab to the x power, although in some cases this would be a perfectly reasonable thing to work with as well. It kind of depends what you're going to do with this expression next, and in this context I don't know. Last one, log base e of y over 8 equals x. So our log is base e, which means our exponential will be base e. It'll be e to the power of x equals y over 8. How do we isolate y? Right now it's divided by 8, so the opposite of that would be to multiply it by 8. There we go. 8's cancel. And we get y equals 8 times e to the x.